Brahmi, an Ayurvedic medicine for your brain and body wellness. Brahmi, Bacopa monida. It is an ancient herb revered in Ayurveda for its potent medicinal properties. Now, it has been traditionally used as a brain tonic, memory enhancer, stress reliever, and adaptogen. The herb grows naturally in wetlands and is native to India, Australia, Europe, and North America. Let's talk about Brahmi, the Ayurvedic herb. Now, in Ayurveda, Brahmi is classified as a Vaidya Rasayan, a rejuvenator for the brain, making it highly beneficial for cognitive functions and mental well being. However, its benefits extend beyond the brain, positively affecting various bodily systems. The health benefits of Brahmi include enhanced brain function and memory. Brahmi is one of the best natural nootropics. Now, it is known to improve your memory retention, helps in better learning and recall, enhance cognitive function, boost your concentration and problem solving abilities. Number two is reduce your stress and anxiety. Act as an adaptogen, help the body to combat stress. Reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Promotes calmness and relaxation by balancing out your brain chemicals. But what's the scientific backing regarding the Brahmi? A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that Brahmi reduces anxiety levels and improve your moods by regulating the serotonin and dopamine levels as well. Let's talk about another benefit, which is supports nervous system health. Now, helps in regeneration of nerve cells, aids in recovery from nerve damage and injuries, used in Ayurveda treatments for epilepsy, neuralgia, and paralysis. Brahmi is neuroprotective herb that shields the nervous system from oxidative damage and enhance nerve signaling. Another one is boost immunity and reduce inflammation. Rich in antioxidants, protecting the body from free radicals, has anti-inflammatory properties that help in autoimmune and inflammatory diseases. Strengthens your immune system, reducing infections. Now, Brahmi is particularly useful in conditions like arthritis, chronic inflammation, and autoimmune disorders. Another is improve your heart health as well. Reduce blood pressure and prevent hypertension. Lowers your bad cholesterol level and increase the good cholesterol level. Prevents arterial blockages, reducing the risk of stroke as well. Brahmi cardioprotective properties helps in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Another one is enhance your skin and hair health. Detoxifies the blood leading to clear and a glowing skin. Reduce acne, eczema and other skin conditions. Strengthens your hair follicles, reducing hair fall and dandruff. Brahmi oil is often used in Ayurveda for scalp massage, promoting hair growth and reducing premature graying as well. Now, it also helps in aiding or digestion and liver detoxification. Now, helps in better digestion and reduce bloating. Detoxifies the liver, improving its function, prevents ulcers, indigestion, and irritable bowel syndrome. Bowel syndrome. Brahmi stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, leading to a better metabolism. It also helps to improve your sleep quality. Brahmi has mild sedative effects, promoting deep sleep. Helps in treating insomnia and sleep disorders, reduce nightmares and disturb sleep patterns as well. The tip is drinking Brahmi tea or taking it in the form of a powder form can really help you a lot before bed. It can also help to improve your sleep quality as well. But how to use Brahmi? This is the caution. Now, Brahmi is available in various forms and it can be used in many different ways. Now, what are the different ways? Brahmi powder. Now, you have to mix 1.5 teaspoon with honey or warm milk and consume daily. Can be added to your herbal teas as well. Now, you can also take Brahmi capsules or tablets available as a standardized extracts. Take as per your Ayurvedic doctor's recommendation. You can also go for a Brahmi oil as well. Yes, used for head massages to relieve stress and promote hair growth, improves your sleep quality and reduce anxiety levels as well. This is the way through which you can induce the oil in your life and induce the Brahmi as well in the form of oil, in the form of powder and in the form of supplements as well. This is the way through which Brahmi looks, and this is the way through which it can provide you with tremendous amount of health benefits to your body, especially if we talk about the brain part. So next is basically the conclusion part here. In the conclusion, I will also talk about that it's a powerful Ayurvedic herb with numerous health benefits for the brain. Yes, it's your nervous system, whether it's your heart, skin and overall well-being. If you are looking for a natural brain booster and a rejuvenator, incorporating Brahmi into your routine, it's a game changer. Yes. So this was all about today's video. Hope you have liked about what does it mean when you induce Brahmi as an Ayurvedic treatment in your lifestyle and take advantages that it provides to you. Thank you for watching my video and giving the support as well. You have to subscribe to this video and go for liking this video as well, so that you can get other video links in the description as well as the upcoming videos links as well. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you have liked it and do subscribe to my channel as well.